Welcome back to 4-H STEM with Jonathan and Michelle. Today's special guest is Sarah Madry.
Hey, I'm Sarah Madry. I am the new 4-H program assistant in Orange County.
And today's activity is ice cream in a bag. This activity is presented in the Acres of Adventure 4-H curriculum from National 4-H Council. So for today's activity, you're going to need some supplies. First of all, you're going to need some whipping cream, a half a cup of whipping cream. You're going to need vanilla flavoring or vanilla extract. You're going to need sugar. You need some measuring instruments, some ice cream salt, a quart-sized freezer bag, and a gallon bag. So to begin today, you need to grab your quart-sized freezer bag and you want to open it up. And Sarah, would you mind measuring out a half a cup of whipping cream? You're then going to need to take a half a tablespoon of sugar, measure that out, and put it in the bag with the whipping cream. Lastly, you need to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So now Sarah is going to take the bag and she's going to do her best to remove all the air she can out of the bag and then seal the bag. Then take your gallon bag and you can put your mixture, smaller mixture, into the larger bag. And now we have to add two items, salt and ice. So first of all, we're going to add the ice. So you're going to need 4 cups of ice. And we use ice to help to turn this liquid mixture into a solid or semi-solid. And this ice cream that we're going to be creating today will have a soft serve consistency. After you put 4 cups of ice, or about that, into your bag, you now need to put a cup of rock salt, or ice cream salt, into your bag as well. Next, you need to make sure that you seal your bag so nothing comes out as you mix your ice cream. And there you go. This process will take about 5 to 10 minutes. You need to begin to shake your bag and you're going to be freezing your ice cream essentially inside of the larger bag. Here we go. Throughout the process, you may need to add more ice or salt, so just always check it, but you shouldn't need a whole lot. Okay, after about 5 minutes, we now want to check and see if we have ice cream. So open up your bag, and we need to get a napkin, because what you want to do is you want to wipe off any of the salt or any of the water or ice even around this bag, because if not, you might get some salt inside your ice cream and that won't taste very good. So you want to wipe off your bag the best you can, and then you can proceed to open the bag. And Sarah, what do you see?
Ice cream!
One of my favorite things to eat during the summertime is ice cream, and not just any type of ice cream, homemade ice cream. And you can add all kinds of things to your ice cream. This is just the start, and we hope you enjoy making this with your family this summer. So from all of us at 4-H STEM with Jonathan and Michelle, we hope to see you making ice cream this summer.